Okay, why Mendeley, or what does Mendeley do? It's a very, very simple software, very, very simple, menu driven, no technical coding like our software, no technical analysis, no nothing. Very, very simple software. You need practice. You just need practice. Okay. Uh, First thing, it organizes your documents. Okay. Number one. Number two, I am a researcher. I'm not working alone. I'm working with 3, 4 more authors. Now, what should I do? The best way is saving a Google Drive. I can have a Google Drive. I can say, okay, Neha sitting somewhere, please access the Google Drive. I've given you permission. XYZ sitting somewhere else. I've given you permission. Access my Google Drive. But what should I stop? I think there was someone. Okay. So what happens is when I am working on a Google Drive, I can save papers over there also. What is the need of Mendeley? The reason is when I save papers on Google Drive, I, Neha sitting somewhere else, and say Sunita sitting at a third place, we might put in duplicate papers. Duplicate papers means I get a paper on my topic, Neha gets a paper on her topic, Sunita gets a paper, maybe we get the same paper and put it in Google Drive 3 times. There are repetitions. And then at the end of the day, what we have to do, there are some 200 papers in Google Drive. I have to filter them and see where are the repetitions. Here, I don't have to do that. If there is a duplicate paper, it will be seen and I can remove it in 2 minutes. Okay, unlike, and even when I see Mendeley, when I introduce you to Mendeley, it saves the paper author wise, alphabetically. So it is very easy to say, oh my God, Brown's paper, Brown 2012. Below that, again Brown 2012. Then I have to remove one paper. It is easy to view your database vis-a-vis a Google Drive or vis-a-vis a drive in the desktop. So there are many things that Mendeley can do, and we'll be covering all. The first thing that is there is your PDF files. If you have saved a paper on your desktop, or your internet files can be put into Mendeley. Okay, and Mendeley is a cloud software. It's a cloud software. So the moment you put a file, it gets updated on the cloud. What does that mean? It means that the other person can access it. He doesn't have to again save that file. No, the moment you put it on Mendeley software, it becomes available for everybody. Now, this is a very risky proposition also. If you have not made your data private, all the research articles that you have collected can go global. So suppose I was collecting articles on one variable called religiosity. I thought it was never studied in so and so context. I collected n number of papers for that, and suppose it was made public, many people can access it. So generally when I put papers on Mendeley, I do not allow access to anybody else. They are my papers, only I will view them. Okay, and the same can be viewed through different parameters. Now, there are 3 types of visions that you get. Mobile vision we will not study. We will study desktop and web. To tell you about this, I can actually have all of you gone through this vision? Are you aware of the desktop vision and the web vision? Have you seen both? I would like to know from the participants if they have seen both. Have they been able to see both? Chat kholna padega. Yes, most of you are saying yes. Most of you are saying yes. Okay. So there are 2 visions. Now let me explain why there are 2 visions. I have to explain you why 2 visions. See, the vision on the desktop is like a short-term memory. Okay, what is a short-term memory? A short-term memory is that these things are stay saved on my desktop. Web vision means it is on the cloud. Okay, so what happens with my desktop vision? Every time I enter any paper, it gets entered in the web vision, and I have to go to my desktop, press a button called sync, S-Y-N-C-H, sync, so that from the web vision, the data comes to my desktop vision. Okay, is this point clear to all? Please say a yes if it is clear. Please say a yes if it's clear. Okay, okay. So that is the reason. So having said that, you all have to understand. Niyam sir says once again, okay. So you have to understand, desktop is short-term memory. Desktop is short-term memory. I added a file. Suppose I went to the website, and I'll show it to you also. I went to a website. I picked up a file. I put it in my web vision. You can see web vision. Okay, web vision is seen by everyone in the slide. I put it in my web vision, which is also called my library. I put it in the library. Now, for that paper to be visible on my desktop vision, I will have to press a button sync, so that I tell my website, okay, website, go to the web and pick up the new paper. Because desktop is short-term memory. Only on my desktop. It is not a cloud. It has to be pressed. Sync has to be pressed, so that all the papers which were there on the web, which I have added, come to my desktop. I hope it is clear. Further, I will also show it. Okay, I will also show it. Let me see if there are any questions. Okay, no. So I hope it's clear. Okay, so sir says it's clear. I might be addressing some students at sir, but that is okay. That is respect to them. They are MBA students. They should get respect. Okay. Now, this is how you see the desktop. Okay, all of you must have got this. All of you must have got this vision. Okay, if you've not got, we will work towards it. Okay, so everybody should have this desktop vision. This is what is the web vision. Okay, how do you see the web vision? If you go to your account, Mendeley account from the website, it will show you that you have logged in as, say, Jaspreet Kaur. Okay, when you press that icon, this vision will open. Okay, now mind you, whenever we are taking papers from the website, okay, it will get added to the web vision, not to the desktop. I repeat, whenever we are picking up papers from the website, it will get added to the web vision, not to the desktop. So when I add a paper, I will have to check the library, Mendeley web, and then say, okay, now it is there on web. Then I'll have to go to my desktop vision and press the button sync, so that it goes there. Now, Basanta sir, can I start the demo now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Yes, I think we should start the demo. Okay. I will have to share screen. Share screen. Should I share the whole screen? Will it be okay?
Yes. It would be better to share whole screen.
Okay. But I have not. Okay, it is just a second. Let me first put this on slideshow. Okay, let me share a screen first. Let me share this first. Let's work on desktop first. All of you have got your desktop vision? Everybody's got the desktop vision? Okay. Okay. Now let's do the first thing. Let's work on desktop first. Then we'll go to web. We'll go step by step. We have a lot of time. I'll go very slow. Wherever you want me to repeat a step, tell me, ma'am, stop, repeat the step. Okay. Now I am on my desktop vision. Okay. First thing, I am not satisfied with these papers. I have started a new topic and I'm not satisfied with these papers. What should I do? I go to add papers. Which are the things which you can see? Can you tell me the 4 things which you can see, all of you? I have pressed add button. I want it in written. Can somebody say in written? What are the things you can see? Can you see? Yeah, very good. Add file. Yes. Add file, add folder. Very good. Watch folder. And add entry manually. Okay. Now we will do watch folder. Yes. And add entry manually. Now all of you with me will do 3 of these. Watch folder is just that. Whenever the folder on my desktop gets upgraded, keep upgrading my library. That is what watch folder means. That can happen due course of time. Let us do the first thing. Let us add a file. Please go, all of you, please go to add file. Okay. Pick up a file. I am picking up ASCII 1986 and here it comes. Can everybody see it? It is highlighted. It is highlighted. Can everybody please add a file and see if it can be seen? Only then will I go forward. Everybody please add a file. Any file from your desktop. If you have saved my file which I had sent you, you can add that also. Please add a file and please say, ma'am, added, no problem, so that I can go forward. Okay, added. Okay, no problem, sure. Added. Okay, let's do the second thing. Add a whole folder. Now I go to add folder and I say, okay, there is a paper I am working on. Okay, and it is on desktop and the paper's name is materialism, suppose. Okay, or say here I have a paper called entrepreneurship. I click on the folder and say, okay. It will add all the papers in the folder. Please do that and please tell me, ma'am, added. Please do that. And if there are any problems, please let me know. If there are any problems, you can share your screen also. And can you see on my screen, there are some blue highlighted things. Can you see? Can everybody see blue highlighted on my desktop version of Mendeley? Yeah. So these are all the papers which have been added from that folder, which I just added. Okay. So there were some 10, 11 papers in that. And those got added, and Mendeley says, okay, these are your papers. Okay. Acha, why has he placed it at a distance? Because we are going alphabetically. If you see from A, B, C, alphabetically he has done that. Okay. Okay. Can I also get a yes from students? All students on board, have you been able to add file and add folder? Okay, fine. Only students to say yes. Okay, fine. So I think you have understood. Let me go to the next thing. So if you are that fast at learning, we may finish in 1 hour also. Okay, now all of you go to the last option, add entry manually. Okay. You will see this box. Can you see the small box saying new document? Can you see the small box saying new document? Yes, very good. Here, please add any one paper from your folder, but add it manually, which means now I'm going to add, I will write author name is Bandura. Okay, and see, the moment I wrote Bandura, can you see? It has given me a drop down. Is it Albert Bandura? Now, why has it given this drop down, or why has it given this suggestion? Because probably the author Bandura is being cited maximum number of times. So just imagine if tomorrow you write such papers that you have some 20,000, 80,000 citations. The moment somebody types Kaur, it will say Kaur, Jaspreet, because I am the maximum number of cited. Okay. Now it has given me a choice and I press yes, it is Albert Bandura. Journal name, it is asking. So I say, sir, Journal of Business. See it again, the moment I write Journal of Business, the top 3 journals come. Journal of Business Ethics. Now I go to year. Sir, year is 2019. Okay, volume, issue, let me leave. Okay, abstract, let me leave. Let me straight away go to URL. If you have from the website, you can take. Let me straight away go to file. Here it will tell you add file. So you can probably just add the file from your desktop. Okay, this is entering a journal manually. Okay, you had this option in add now, manual. Okay, this is adding a journal manually. Can all of you do it? I'm waiting for you people. All of you try it. Manually give an author, manually give a year. If you have say volume number, manually say a volume number, and please add a paper through this manually. Please try. I'm waiting. Let us do all three. One is adding a single file. Two is adding the whole folder. Three is adding the file manually. We have done three types of addition in our desktop version. Desktop version chal raha hai. Okay. Take your time. I'm waiting. Any problems? Please share screen and everybody please try. Okay, Dipendra sir says done. Okay, what about the rest? If you are doing, I'm waiting, doesn't matter. Logical will get mixed. So I make this folder. It is named meta-analysis of TPB. Can you see the folder? Can you see how I created it? Can you all create a folder, please? Yes, please, everyone create a new folder. Okay, please create a new folder, and to this new folder, go to add files and please add papers. I'm also doing it. It is there, my new folder, no paper at all, zero, no paper at all. I go to my desktop and I am trying to add papers to this. Which papers will I add? I will only add papers which are there for meta-analysis of TPB. I have copied all which were there on my folder. All papers. For this particular research paper, I have copied. Okay. So can all of you make a folder and copy papers into it? Only papers pertaining to that one topic. Please do this. Please do this. Create a folder. Please do this. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
There is a question from Niyam, sir.
Yeah. All documents recently added, recently read, favorite, needs review, my publication, and then there is something called create folder. Press on this and just type materialism. I am typing, press enter, folder will be created. If you see on the left, I just created 2 folders in this workshop. One was meta-analysis of TPB and one was materialism. I'm waiting for all of you for 5 minutes. Please add your folders. And please add papers into it also. Please practice. Okay. And then I go to add, and I go to either add files or I go to add folders and add papers into this folder. Should I repeat? I double click on the folder. First I create folder, give it a name. Suppose my folder name over here is materialism. I double click. There is no paper. Plain, clean, no paper in materialism. I go to add files and say, okay, add this paper. Now I can see one paper. I'll do it again. I go to add files. I say, okay, take this paper also. This is all coming from my desktop folders. Okay, so now my folder materialism has 2 papers. Okay, and sir, but ideally, how many papers you are doing? Suppose a faculty is doing 3 research papers. Okay, so you create 3 folders. Okay, for students, I'll tell you, suppose you have a concept, purchase intention of Nepalese garment. Okay, purchase intention of Nepali consumer towards Nepalese brands, Nepali local brands. Okay, now what will you do? You will see many factors are there. Age is one factor. Location where the consumer is staying is another factor. His psychographic factors, his lifestyle, his attitude. So what will you do? You will search paper for each factor. So what should you do? You should have one folder saying attitude. All those papers which show that the Nepali consumers' attitude affects intention of purchase of Nepali garment should be there in attitude folder. Similarly, a folder for age. Similarly, a folder for geographic location. Okay, I hope it's clear.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. We have another question. If I had already added the paper in lab, how we transfer that paper into the folder?
Okay.
Should
So
I
what
repeat,
you
ma'am?
can do? Yeah. I got it, sir. I got it. So what you can do is you can just pick up this and drag it into another folder. I'll show you. Now, suppose in materialism, I have this one paper called Barbarossa. Okay. Now see how I do. I want to put it into the religiosity folder. I have this paper in materialism folder. I want to put it in religiosity folder. What will I do? I will click it and see, can you see it dragging? Can you see this? And leave it on religiosity. Okay. Now, see, I have opened the religiosity folder. It also has Barbarossa. Now I have opened the religiosity folder, Barbarossa. Let me do it again. Gurung, BP and Thakal. This was a paper. This is in religiosity folder. I want to put it into materialism folder. What should I do? Drag and leave it in materialism. Now open materialism file. See, I have opened materialism file. Gurung, BP and Dhakal, the paper is there. Please do this. Everybody take time and do this. Please learn to drag. And by the way, even to add files, what you can do is, I'll just try if I share screen and show you. Just a minute. I'll show you how to drag files from your folder and bring it into the library.
Yes, again we have another question from our faculty member, Padam Dangol, sir. Ma'am, if we copy from desktop, then the same paper will be there or not? Yes, of course, sir. There will be the paper.
Yes, it will be there. Achha, one more question I can see, ma'am. Article must be in computer or we can add directly from the net. We can add directly from the net. I'm just finishing this desktop and then we are going to web importer. For that, you all have to have web importer. Okay, so web importer, I think I had told everybody to install. I'll just share the screen of Google. Should I show you how to take it from the website? Let me do that. Let me do that for you.
Yes, ma'am, please.
Yeah. I'll do that for you. Okay, so okay, this is my web picture. Remember, there were two editions. One was desktop, one was web. Now this is my web edition. Okay, this is my web edition. Right now, what I will do is I will take a paper from. Let me come to share screen. Just give me 1 minute. Let me straight away come to share screen.
There is another question from Nitish Dal, ma'am. How we can check reputations of article? How to check article reputation?
Okay. Let me come to one by one. I'll come. Just a second. Okay. And I go to view. View. Okay. And I go to tools. There are two things. One is view. Okay. It will show you. I'm explaining desktop first, then we'll go to website. Okay. On the top, you have three icons. One is file, where you can add files, add folder, add manually. You can also go to import. What does it say in import? All of you go to import and please write down what does it say. Let me finish this menu bar of desktop, then I'll go to the website. Okay. Can you write down what does import say? What are the drop downs when you type import? It says BIMTeX, EndNote, RIS, Zotero. Let me see chat. Let me see chat box. Chat box. No, somehow chat box is not there. Okay. So when you go to file and you go to import, it says BIMTeX, EndNote, RIS, Zotero. What are these? These are also database softwares like Mendeley. So what is it saying? It is saying, suppose you have used another software, Zotero, and a few of your papers are there, I can import it from those libraries. This is what it's saying. Okay. Then there is something called export. Now, what is export? Export is taking this paper out from Mendeley. Okay. Now, let me go to edit. Let me go to edit and show you all the icons which can be done. Now I go to edit and or even if it says cut, copy, paste, all those major, new folder, new group. If you want a new folder to be made, like I made religiosity, materialism, meta-analysis of TTP, you can also make new folders. You can go to new group, rename folder, remove folder. Let me go to remove folder. I say remove folder. He asks me, should I remove materialism? I say yes, and my folder of materialism is removed. See, on the left side, I have only two folders now. Meta-analysis of TPD and religiosity. Okay, folder has been removed. If I want to create it again, I will go to create folder, say materialism, and press and enter. It got created again. Remove folder, create folder. Now, let me come to article. Just take a right click, okay, and down it says delete document. Okay, just in any article, if you want to remove it, there are times when I say, okay, I studied this, I entered this, but I don't think this article is relevant. I don't want it in my library. Go to delete documents, it will straight away get deleted. Again, this is Agnihotri paper. I just go to delete document, Agnihotri is gone. The first is Eligre. Okay? So, addition you know, deletion you know. Now your question, come to tools. Come to tools. There are many things you can do in tools. One is invite colleagues. I'm going to that, I'm doing it. I go to, and everybody has to do it. Has everybody, first thing first, has everybody understood how to add a paper, delete a paper, add a folder, delete a folder, put a paper from one folder to another folder? Are these 5 things clear? First say a yes, then I'll go forward. Add a file, add a folder, delete a file, delete a folder, and transfer one paper from one folder to another by dragging. Have these 5 things, Basanta sir?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please. Yes, ma'am.
Can we see a demo of all these 5 things which have been done till now?
Please. We have enough time, ma'am. Please.
Yeah. Let's not rush. Let me first see that you've understood all the things of file and all the things of edit. Then I'll go to tools. Okay, first I want everybody who has understood file functions, who has understood edit functions. Okay, this much please first give me a demo, then I'll tell you how to see. This much demo I would want from someone. Any one person can volunteer. Create a folder, delete a folder, delete a file, and transfer one file from one folder to another by dragging. Only this much I want. Very small mini functions. Only this much I want. Anybody who can volunteer, faculties or students. Please delete this folder. Very good. Yes. Very good. Now, can you please go to recently added articles? It says recently added, left side. Up. Recently added, can you show? Press. These are your recently added articles. Can you go to recently read? Recently read. Below this, recently added. No, below this. Below recently added, recently read. Recently read. Please press. These are the articles which you have read. Okay. One more thing, Sachin sir. Yeah. you can open the full article. If you double click, you can open the full article also. Okay, so go to my library, left side on the power flow, left side, my library, left,
Yes.
yeah. Now you have come back to your desktop page. Clear hai? I hope this much is clear to all. This much I hope is clear to all.
Yes, we have one question from Japindra sir. Articles in folder are not in alphabetical order.
Okay, I will, okay, just press this right thata. Above it, there is author. Just press that. Oh, the screen went away. Okay, should I? Okay, I'll show it with Mendeley. Wait,
Japindra sir is sharing his screen.
Now it is there, sir. He's done it. He's done it. Yeah. Again, click author. Click author. Now it's again. Now click author. Very good. So chronological order straight, chronological order reverse. Both are available. Okay. Now you see it's in chronological order. Okay. Good. You are. Can we directly drag article? Yes. 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 Please do it. Nitesh sir, please drag and show us. Please come share screen. It will be very good for others also. Minimize your Mendeley desktop. Open a folder. Minimize it. Drag the folder to Mendeley. Yeah, minimize this. Yes, very good. Very good. Please open a folder on your desktop. Drag and show. This has to be minimized, sir. No, not this way. You will have to minimize it like you did previously. Similar type minimize. Right side, small screen, square. No, not cross, square. Yeah. Now, acha, it's. Have you dragged? I think he's dragged. Now, please go to any folder. I think he's dragged already. Good. I think you have dragged already, because on all documents it is showing processing. When I see the all documents, it shows a circle processing, which means it's coming. It's getting added. It's got added. Yes, we dragged and it got added. Okay, that's very nice. Good. Thanks to all the volunteers. You are just helping me and helping others also. Thanks to all volunteers. Okay, chalo. So now we'll go to the next thing. We are still on our desktop. We have not finished desktop. I should take at least another half an hour for desktop to understand all functions, and then I'll go to web and all that. Okay, now, and then on my, I'll go back to my PPT also, because there might be some things I miss. My PPT will tell me. Now, come to tools. Okay, in tools, you were asking now how to install web importer. Some people were asking web importer is not installed. Okay, please all of you go to tools, install web importer, and also install MS Word plugin. Two things you have to do. Install web importer. All of you do that, because only if you have a web importer will I be able to tell you how to take articles from the website. Number one. Number two, please install MS Word plugin. It's only when you install that will I be able to tell you how to do referencing in Word document with the use of Mendeley. Please install all these two things. I'm waiting for all those who have not installed. First, do these two things. And sir's question, how do you check duplicates? Sir, press check for duplicates and see what is written. It says no duplicates found in meta-analysis TBB folder. Okay, so had there been a duplicate, suppose Allegre had come twice, it would have said there are two Allegre, both are 2013, both title is linking entrepreneurial orientation and firm performance. It would have told me, I would have deleted one file. Okay, I hope that answers your question. Now, what was the assignment I gave you? Yeah, tools. Install web importer and please install MS Word plugin. I'm waiting. Without this, I can't go to the web. Now we can go to the web. We have finished everything. See, we have finished file, add folder, manually, export file, cut, copy, paste, delete, put from one folder to another, form a new folder, from a new group, view, library as citation, A to Z, chronological order. Okay, there are two views to this. One is library as a citation, okay, another is library as a table. Now this is a table, author name, title, year, published in, this is called the table view. So there are two ways. One is the table view where you get author, title, year, etc. One is the citation view where you get, actually you get the bibliography citation. If you see, it says Allegra J and Shiva R 2013. Remember when I showed you the slides? In bibliography, we write everything. We write the author name, first initial, title, volume number, journal name, page number. So this is called the bibliographic view or the citation view. So there are two views. One is library view, one is table view and one is citation view. Okay, both can come in chronological order. Now, so you have to, sir said, tell how to install web importer and install MS Word plugin. All of you do that. I'm waiting. Once it's done, please open Google. Once it's done, please open Google. I'll tell you what you should see if it is genuinely installed. If it is genuinely installed, किधर है Google, किधर है? एक second. All documents. अच्छा, I haven't opened Google. I'll just open Google. Okay, let me just open Google at my end. Please install till the time I'm opening Google. Okay, ma'am, all the articles added to the desktop will automatically update in web version? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And if they don't, just press a sync. There's a sync button. Okay. Can you see this? Okay. Have I shared or I started?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
I didn't share. I straight away. Okay. Let me show you. Again, I'm still on desktop. See, sir, there is this sync button, green color. Okay. Let me press it. Let me see what happens. I have pressed it. Let me see what happens. It's processing. Now see, what it did is all those articles which were there in my web version, which were not there updated in my desktop. I told you desktop is short-term memory. Short-term memory. Okay, it will all show. It is still not upgraded. It is still not linked to the crowd. So the moment I press sync, now see, it is getting updated. See, few more articles have come. From where have they come? They have come from my web version, web library version. Okay, so whenever you take a article from the website, which I'll just show you, once you all install web importer, I will show you. The moment you install from the internet, you have to go to your desktop and press the sync button so that all that you have uploaded on your web page comes to your desktop. Very simple. Website, cloud, internet, desktop only available to you. No connection to internet. So to connect to internet and update whatever was there in the web library, you have to press sync. So if you see, a lot of updating is going on. Okay, 72% done. It is updating, and when you see more and more papers which I must have added on my web page are getting updated over here. See, I can see papers being added on and off. Okay, it is taking time because connecting to the web, it is taking time. Now, what is it doing? It is extracting all the papers from the cloud. And now it is like saying your desktop is now updated. And every time you will have to update it. Whenever you add a paper over there, you will have to update it, or else the paper will not show here. Okay. For example, Das G, if I'm not wrong, was not showing. Now, when I pressed sync button, it is showing. It is showing. So from where it came? It came from the website. So if web importer has been done, I can start. Whenever it is done, please let me know. I will start. Meanwhile, let me open Google and show you that in case your web importer is there, how will you see Google? How will you see Google?
And there is a question, what is the meaning of duplicates?
Oh, what is the meaning of duplicate, sir? There are times when you might put one paper twice in Mendeley. One paper, same paper twice in Mendeley. And if you do that, it will catch the duplicate. It will not let you put two papers together. That is what is duplicate. Okay, now let me just give me 1 minute. Okay, this is there. Let me open Google and show you that once you get web importer, how will your Google look like? Okay, I am sharing my Google screen with you. Share screen. Yeah, okay. Okay, this is it. Okay. Can you see my Google screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If your Mendeley importer, web importer has been installed, you will see this red color mark M. Whenever you open your Google screen on your browser, Google Chrome, you will see this Mendeley red color mark. How, ma'am? Niyam, sir, if it is showing a duplicate, which means the internal content might be same. Maybe you have given a different name to the file. For example, you gave a name XYZ to that same paper, and you gave a name ABC to same paper, and you stored it twice in your desktop. Go inside and check the content of both the papers. Maybe the content is same. It is a software. It is basing this on the content. Please go and check the content. Okay? Yeah. So, yeah. So, I'll just go and get water if I'm permitted to. I'll just get water.
Please, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
The paper. Where is the paper? On Google, I am typing impact of religion on purchase intention. Suppose.
Mahesh Koirala is saying that your screen is not sharing, ma'am.
Oh, but
I am seeing your.
You can see. If one person can see, then everybody.
Yes.
Yeah, so there is some problem at his end. Okay. So now
it is visible, ma'am. It is visible, ma'am. It is visible.
It is visible. Yeah. So now when you see impact of religion on purchase intention, you see there are some research papers which have opened. Okay, some searches. Now you go to this red color M. Okay, and it will show you web importer. Now can you see all those papers on the right side? They are showing ready to be imported. Can you see? On the right side, they are showing ready to be imported. Okay. Also, on the right side, for example, I'm clicking the first reference. It says, just a second, chat. It says PDF not found, which means the paper is there. He's given you author, he's giving you journal, but he says there is no PDF to this. Do you want to import? I say, no, I don't want to import. So I go to impact of religion on purchase intention. Okay. Or let me import the first one for you. I press these two papers. Okay. And material, he asks me which folder. Select all, which folder? Religiosity, materialism, or meta-analysis. I say religiosity. Please put it into folder religiosity, and I say add. I say add. Okay. Now, what is the step? Above over here, you will see your login, like it shows Jaspreet. Okay. You will have to see whether these papers have been synced into the library or not. How will you see? Where you are seeing web importer, where you selected the paper, below you see right side a blue color link which says view library. View library. So I press view library. I press view library. Now this is my web view. This is my web view. Can everybody see this? Can everybody see this? This is my web view. Okay. So where has the paper come? I'll repeat the process. It is visible. I'll repeat the process. Now in this web view, on the left side, see, I have the same folders which I had made in the desktop view. I had materialism, I had meta-analysis, I had religiosity. Now, the paper that I had taken into which folder? Religiosity. So that will start showing here. See, God and Green was the paper. It has started showing in my library. Okay. Repeating the process. I'm repeating the process. I entered anything. I'll take another thing. Impact of religion on behavior. Suppose, okay, it gave me a list of searches. I go to this red color icon of Mendeley. I press it and it opens all the papers which are on the left side. Okay, and it shows me which paper is selected. So I can do add all PDFs. I can there is a tick to add PDFs if available, which means if Google is showing all these search, suppose 20 search, I am telling importer to only take those papers which have a PDF file. I don't want those papers which don't have a PDF file. What use are they? Why should I put it into Mendeley library? I will not put. Now he asks me in select all, which folder you want it. When I drop down, it gives me all the folders, religiosity, materialism, everything. Okay, it shows me religiosity, it shows me materialism, it shows me meta-analysis. I say, okay, I selected religiosity, which means I want these papers, the PDF of all these papers in the folder religiosity, and I press an add. I have pressed add. Now I go below. If you see at the end of the box, right side corner, it says view library. It says view library, and I view my library. Okay. And in this library, left side, this is my library view. Okay. That was my desktop view. This is my library view. This is on cloud. As and when I take website papers, it quickly gets into this library because it is on cloud. Now, out of the three things, materialism, meta-analysis, religiosity, I had put into which folder? Into religiosity. So I double click religiosity, and here are my papers. I just now imported impact of religion on behavior. Okay, is the process clear? If it is clear, Basanta sir, now we would want a demo from a person who has importer. Now if we can.
Yeah, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, we can demo. Please.
One demo. So I'm stop sharing. Okay. Yes. And for others who have not yet downloaded, take your time, download, let the ones who have downloaded practice, then we'll come to you also. No problem. So now anybody can give a demo of how to do, those who have web importer. Please give us a demo. Yes, somebody is giving a demo.
Yes, Dinesh Kumar.
Hanji, you'll have to go to Google Chrome, sir. Very good. PDF not found, PDF found. Very good. Okay. Okay. Please change the folder. Please change the folder. The folder is TM. Very good. Okay. Good. TM folder. Very good. Add. will have to do it again, sir, because I think you've already added. Go back to Google, press the red button, press red Mendeley, yeah, press it again. Yeah, now tick. You have not ticked table assessment, click, tick it. Table talent management, click, sir, left side, check box, left side, check box. No. Succession plan, left side. No, wait. Left, no, wait. Succession plan, left side, there is a check box. Left side, succession plan, left, up, upper, up. Yeah. Hold, wait. Now add. Now go to add. Now, because you didn't click it now, so it didn't activate add. Now view library, DK, now view library. Has it come? TM folder, go to TM folder. You put it, it has come. Now do me one more favor. Wait, sir, wait. Sync. Now please sync it with your desktop. Very good. Please sync, it will take time. But it doesn't show on your desktop. See, it doesn't show on your desktop. You will have to press sync. So, has it come? TM folder? No, sync. Okay, aaya nahi. Has it come or not? What was the paper's name? Please press sync and wait. What was the paper's name? Was it Hills, Angela? Yeah, succession plan. Yes. It was Hills. It got updated. It was there in your desktop. I saw. Yeah, Hills, Angela. Here. Second click. Hold. See, why you had to sync in the desktop so that from your web it comes over here. Now the whole process is clear. Very good. Thank you so much. Anybody else wants to do a demo in front of me?
Ma'am, we have another question from Sajin sir. Ma'am,
Yes.
What is the significance of web portal?
What is the significance of web portal? Sir, any paper that you're taking from the website directly, there were so many in Google search. It's not one paper. Google search will show some 30 papers. All
Sachin
can
sir,
be.
Sachin sir, you can unmute and raise your question yourself.
So, okay, thank you, sir, for providing me this opportunity. In fact, I'm the student of PhD level. I'm a PhD scholar of TU, and I've been watching this very rigorously because it is very important for me. So, what I want to know is, first of all, we have to read the file, and if we found it good, then we would upload it. Then I want to know what is the significance of web portal, since we directly, if we place it, then does it seem effective? My question is that, ma'am.
Yes, it is effective, sir. I'll tell you why. See, on Google, suppose I am studying work-life balance. I never say work-life balance and read all the papers. No, I am very specific. Impact of family on work-life balance. I have to be very specific in my keyword, whether I'm doing a dissertation, whether I'm doing a research paper. Now, when I type such a specific keyword in Google, most of the papers that come will have a relationship between family and work-life balance. So I can automatically pick up all, sir, put it in my library, and one by one, keep studying it. Keep studying it. Mendeley May, the moment you double click, you can open the paper and study. If you feel it is good, keep it there. If you don't feel it is good, delete it. Do it. First, extract all papers to Mendeley. Then keep doing reading, deleting, editing. Keep doing it. Okay, I think he got it. Yes. Okay. Any other questions? Please feel free. And rest of the people also, if somebody else wants to try a demo here, most welcome. If somebody is not being able to import, please share your screen. Please share your screen if you're not able to import. What is mobile view? This is my desktop view. We all know this. This is our Mendeley web view. We all know this. Okay. Adding material. Okay, this was the next thing. We have done add folder, watch folder, add entry melody. These three things we have finished. Also, on the right side, you can see of the slide, import from another reference. So if there is another library, Zotero, etc., we know how to import from that also. Now, finding new search on the website, we have done Mendeley Web Importer. Okay, I have told you how to search on Google and add into your library. This is also done. Now, sync button, whenever we add something to the web library, we have to press the sync button on the desktop so that that starts showing in a desktop, or else it will not. It is nothing but a process of upgrading your website. Okay, managing library, recently added, recently read, favorites, all that you know by now. Okay, one button I have to show you, which is the green button. If you press this, it says that I have read the article. Okay, so if you see over here, in each of your papers, there are three types of things which you can do with them. One is PDF, which shows that this paper has a PDF. Okay, so there could be papers which you might put into your Mendeley which do not have a PDF, but I put it for future use. You know, what I do is I take it from the website. For example, on the slide, you can see a paper Schilling and Govert, Schilling Govert. Now here you don't see a PDF to it. What have I done? I have taken it from the web. I have taken it from the web. It did not have a PDF. I have stored it in Mendeley. Now what will I do? I will try to get the paper from somewhere. I will try to get it from some other source. Okay. And then I will add that. But at least I know, okay, there is a paper of this title and I can add it. Okay. So I'm just, okay, adding material. Okay, adding paper from the website we have done, syncing them to desktop we have done, managing my library. We have done the authors view, okay, where only authors are shown, and authors are shown in a chronological order. I will tell you what is the green button. The green button is read paper or still to read. So in case you have read a paper, you can always say no button. And when you press the green button, it says it is unread. So on some papers, which you are still to read, you can press the green button. And I'm just noting it down. I have to show you in the library view. So the green button for reading, okay, PDF, this will be an exercise now, okay, and star. The yellow star means this is my favorite. Now, why do we have a favorite in Mendeley? We have a favorite in Mendeley. For example, there's one paper of mine, okay, and I have a standard scale. The items are written in this one paper. So suppose there is a paper of attitude and its effect on intention, and I have a scale, attitude scale taken from, say, author Shaw David. David Shaw is the author from whom I have taken items or statements of purchase intention. Now what do? I mark it as a yellow star. What is a yellow star? It is a special item or a favorite item in my library. Why? Because every time I do analysis, every time I'm doing the CAFA, EFA analysis, SPSS analysis, I might say, oh my God, there I had put, suppose I was taking attitude, I had 3 statements. So when I go to SPSS, what do I put? A1, A2, A3. I don't write the full statement. But then when I see, okay, this one statement is not right, I have to remove it. Which statement is it? I don't know. Now when I have this file starred, yellow star, favorite, which says David Shaw, I know I don't have to search the whole thing. I have to go to David Shaw. This was the file from which I had taken the items or statements of purchase intention. I will refer to this file. Quickly, I will find out the statements. Now I will say, okay, yeah, SPSS, A1 means this statement. A2 means this statement. A3 means this statement. Okay, so you can mark Mendeley on favorites. Okay, there are times when I also mark papers from which I've taken a basic theory. Like for example, I'm working on a paper where the theory is theory of planned behavior. This was given by a a person called Isaac Askin. Now, the main theory paper where Isaac Askin described the whole theory, I will mark it as yellow star, favorites. Why? Because if I have any doubt, suppose I have a doubt, did he use purchase intention or did he use purchase behavior? I have to go back and check. So I can go and press the yellow star and say, okay, this was the paper. Because, you know, slowly and gradually, when you start collecting papers, right now it's new to you. When you start collecting papers, especially in a technique called meta-analysis, some 100, 200, 500 papers we have to collect. Okay, so for that, Mendeley is very, very, very important. Imagine collecting 500 papers on a desktop folder. Imagine the amount of repetitions. Imagine searching one paper which has the standard scales from a desktop folder. Okay, it will become very difficult. Here it is easy. Okay, now let me take you to, this is done. I will also show you. These are the folders. Here it is history, philosophy, etc. I had made religiosity, materialism and all that. I have told you how to, okay, how to drag a file into the folder. Okay, that also you have learned. So now you know that if this is my all documents, it shows all documents. So I say, okay, these two documents should go into this folder. I can simply drag and send it there. Even that you have learned. Now, how to manually put items and how to write the year and manually put the author name, even that you have done. Okay, so most of the papers in Mendeley, we do get a reference, we do get citation, we get author name, etc. But I will give you one example. I will give it to you right now, and I'll take you to Word document. We'll start citation after this. I'll give you an example where we import a paper from the website. We put it into Mendeley, but it doesn't show author. See, it is a software. You can't say, no, why are you not showing me author? Okay, there are. So it is said Mendeley is best for research papers and books. Actually, Mendeley is the best for journal papers, research articles. It is not a very good software. It is not a very good database when it comes to internet articles. I'll show you exactly why. I will import an internet article. It will not show author. It will not show year. I will have to manually add year. I will have to manually add author. Okay, so I will show you this. Okay, so this is done. I'm just noting down what is left. So I have to show you a
Excuse
website.
me, ma'am. Can I
Yeah.
ask something?
Yes, yes, please, please.
Before I ask, would you allow me for the screen share, ma'am?
Yeah, sure, sir. Why not? Please. I'll stop my sharing. 1 second. I was just recollecting what all we have done in the PPT because my PPT is my reference. Yes, please share your screen.
Let's suppose I am selecting this article, right?
Yes.
Here we can see that there is a PDF.
Sir, go down. Right side, right side.
Sorry?
Sir, right side on the arrow, go down.
No, I have already done, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. I am selecting this article because there is PDF view.
Yeah, it has
And
PDF. Yeah.
I am checking in this in my library.
Yeah.
Where you mentioned the
It
same article, right?
is there.
Again, I am going to the desktop view. Where is
Yes. Sync kariye na sir. Please go to sync. Go to sync. Yeah. Now has it come? It has come. Psychology of talent management. The psychology of
इसमें
talent.
प्रॉब्लम क्या हुआ मैम? देखिए अब हम इस आर्टिकल को खोलते हैं, इसमें अगर हम आर्टिकल को खोले तो ये ऐसा दिखता है, ऐसा दिखा, इसमें DY नंबर है, ठीक है। इसके बाद में हम जब इसको हब में ला जाके खोला तो ये ऐसा दिखता है, 272 पेज का है। जब हम इसको डेस्कटॉप व्यू में चेक किया तो इसमें इतना पेज ही नहीं आया। इस एक ऐसा क्यों प्रॉब्लम हुआ है मैम? जैसे ये उसी आर्टिकल को मैंने इसमें खोला, इसमें 32 पेज आया ऐसे।
हाँ जी।
ये प्रॉब्लम कैसे हुआ, इसको हम सोल्व कैसे कर सकते हैं?
I have not understood your problem, sir. Can't you, is there any view in which you can't see some icons over here? If, whenever you click this paper, you can add anything to this. Now, what are the major things that we add? Suppose I say, I want to concentrate on the hypothesis. Okay, so I will say select text. I will click this text. Okay, I will highlight it into highlight text. It becomes yellow. I will remember in this whole paper, this is my hypothesis. I can press note. I can press note. I can press note. And it will give me an option. I think I pressed too much. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. I don't know why note is not working. Show text. Show text. And I say add note. Right click and I say add note. Here I say hypothesis of the paper. Okay, and I press an enter. Now what will happen is, here whenever you read the paper, you will see this note. Now when do I do this? Again, in a technique called meta-analysis, what I do is I have some 300 papers and I want a sample size of all the papers. So what will I do? Whenever I go to the paper, I will highlight the part where sample size is written, put it yellow, highlight it and add a note. And on the note, it will be written sample size. So I could do this for 800 papers. Every time I go to the paper, I don't have to read. What do I need? I need only two values: sample size, correlation. One note on sample, one note on correlation. Pick it up and make an Excel sheet. Okay. So sometimes we also do, when we do systematic review, we compare papers. We say, okay, these 5 papers were on millennials. These 5 papers were on old people. So what can I do? I can go to, see, methodology. I went to methodology and here he said, suppose he said I took Spanish people. Okay. So here I will add a note, sample. Okay, I have added a note, sample. So in the whole paper, I don't have to read. I can click the note, it will say sample is over here. Who was the sample? Spanish people. I could further go and select this text also. Sample was taken from Italian Spanish industry people and highlight it as this. Okay, I hope this is clear. Even this is a feature of Mendeley. I wanted to show it to you. Now I'm going to citation. Now let me go to citation. Now, this is my library. It has materialism. Materialism folder is empty. Meta-analysis folder is full and religiosities, 3 papers. Okay. And if I go to the view of all documents, it will show me all the papers which are there in all the folders also. Now I'm going to Word document and showing you how to do reference. I'll have to, okay, share my Word document with you. Okay, so I am sharing my, this is my Word document. Okay, let me delete all of this. Okay, now in the Word document, if you guys have downloaded the citation wizard, citation plugin, when you go to references, you should be able to see insert citation. Are all of you able to see it? First, tell me yes or no. Then I go to chat. All of you should have in your plugin, you should be able to see this. Okay. Basanta sir, I can't see the chat. Are they writing yes? Somehow I can't see the chat. Basanta sir, are they, is everyone able to view the Word file? Can I start?
Yes. Yeah. See what you have here.
Okay. I somehow can't see the chat for some reason.
One of our faculty requested to make it full screen.
It is full screen. It is full screen. It is the Word file full screen only.
Thank you.
It is full screen. Okay, now I will start typing and I want a reference from Mendeley. Okay, now, first of all of you generally see the home screen. Generally, you see the Word document in a home screen. Please come to references. Please click on references. Okay, main document I'm not doing. We are just doing the references. Now, in references, I suppose start with a line. I say, I'm just doing it for you. The theory of planned behavior said that attitude of a consumer. Now this is all paraphrasing. I'm rephrasing. Remember, I'm not copying from the author. I'm writing in my own words, despite the fact it is a line of some other person. Attitude of a consumer affects the behavior. Now, I have written this line. I want to do in-text referencing. There were two referencing. One is in text, one is at the end, bibliography. I go to insert citation and there is a box. I hope all of you can see the box. I hope it is visible. And I say, okay, from where had I taken this paper? I think there was some Ahmed. You have to remember, this is a software, but a researcher's mind has to be there. So don't expect the software. The theory of planned behavior says attitude of a consumer affects behavior. Don't expect him to go to 200 papers and search this line and see from which author. Don't expect that. It will not do it. I have to know that after all this study, after studying my library, I remember this was said by some Ahmed. I have just put Ahmed, not even completed, and it shows me 2 papers. Now, I have to know as a researcher, which was the paper. My paper was to purchase or not to purchase US products. So I click on this paper and I say, okay. See, it has done automatic in-text referencing. Is this much clear? Now, this is just in-text referencing. This is just in-text referencing. Now I want the bibliography also at the end of my paper. The detailed Ahmed from which journal.
Are asking to repeat this step.
I will show you.
Uddhav sir, yes.
No problem. Okay. The author said that attitude affects behavior. Okay, behavior. Okay, I go to insert citation. Okay, and I say, I think there was this man called, I think it was from Keith. Some Keith was there from whom I had taken this concept. You have to know, sir, from which author this concept came. This Mendeley will not do for you. Now see, I've not even written full Keith, K-E-I-T-H. I have not even written Keith, and the whole, if you see, the reference has come. I hope, Basanta sir, it's the drop down is you can see. Can they see or can they not see?
No, not soon, ma'am, not soon.
Not shown. So then they'll not understand. Okay, then wait, we'll have to share screen, sir. I'll have to share screen. That is why they're not understanding. Na? Just
Yes.
So that has to be seen, otherwise they'll not. Okay, I'll share screen. Okay, I'll stop my video and I'll just
dialog box is not visible, ma'am. Dialog box is not visible.
I will, sir. I remember in the demo.
Yeah. In our demo session, yes, I'm remembering.
So this, I say, it came from some Keith. I think it was some Keith who had given this concept. I have to have my study for sure. Without that, it can't. Now, this is my Keith paper. From where did it come? It came because Mendeley had it. Remember, if Mendeley Keith paper is not there, you cannot cite it, period. Having said that, all papers which you are citing have to be added to Mendeley, whether you add it from web, whether you add it from folder, whether you add it manually. You have to add, otherwise you cannot cite. Now see, the whole paper has come and I click on this paper and I press a OK and it says Patwardhan et al. 2012. It has done an automatic referencing. I will repeat this process n number of times. Suppose there was a paper by some, okay, there was a paper by some Rick. Suppose there was a paper by Rick. So here it is the paper. Okay, okay. 2 times okay. Hoyle and Isherwood 23. Yourself and insert. Now
Okay.
see.
Okay.
So that the software will not do. You will have to do it yourself. Here it comes.
Yes.
And
Yes.
even after you finish the sentence, you have to put a full stop.
Yes.
The
Thank you.
reference is always before the full stop, not
Yes.
after the full stop. So these things you will have to do yourself. Okay, now what I'm doing is, now this is my whole paper. Suppose I've finished my paper. I used these 3-4 referencing. Now what I will do is, I will go to insert bibliography and see it has inserted the bibliography of all the authors. Full bibliography. So I say bibliography, the end bibliography exact of all the papers has been put in automatically. This is all automatic, but the problem is, if suppose I am doing a referencing, I'll show it to you. If I'm doing a referencing of a paper which is not there, I say insert citation, I say a paper by Kaur. Oh my god, Kaur is also there. Suppose Kanika. Okay, Kanika is also there. Sunita. Okay, there is no reference of Sunita. There is no reference of surname Sunita. So if there is no reference, even if I go to okay, nothing will happen. So what I'm trying to say is, to do a citation, you have to have the paper in Mendeley library, or else no references can be done, no bibliography can be done. Is this much understood? If it's understood, can we see a few demos? If it is understood, can we see a few demos? It is understood or not? Yes, it is understood. So, sir, I'm stopping sharing. Let's see some demos. 1 or 2 people, please show me them. Oh, somebody is showing. Very good. Very good. Can you do it and show? Just type something and show how, because others will also, yeah, insert citation. Very good. G.S. Taus. Very good. Very good. Great. And here, automatically see, a Taus has come as a bibliography. Okay. See how easy it is to do referencing from Mendeley, but the citation, the paper should be present in Mendeley. Okay. Is it clear? Anybody else who wants to try? Anybody else who wants to try? Please share your screen and let's try. Basanta sir, you will have to tell the students. You will have to call some students.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah, students, I feel that they are shy, so maybe even if they have not understood.
Students also
important.
showing, Nitish Dal is showing his screen, ma'am.
Yeah, please. Yes. Yes. Okay, he was very quick. Okay. Okay, great.
Vandana, you can show your screen.
Okay, above that, where you have open Mendeley, you also have style. If you drop down on the style, just can you drop down on the style? Style, above, insert, right, no, right side, no. See, insert bibliography, come to insert, don't click, come down, Come down, style.
American.
American style, down.
Yes.
Click this. See, all the citation sites, major ones are there. Okay, Harvard is there, American. So you have to tell which style you want to. Your American Psychological Association 7th edition is also there. So if you click that, please click that. Now do the referencing. See if there's any difference. Can you please do the referencing and try some styles, different styles, to show us different styles of referencing? So what you do, hold it. For example, you have this Lynn 2011, okay? Lynn 2011, you do the bibliography in Harvard style and AMA style, APA style. Do it in 2 style and show it to us. Let's see the difference. In the bibliography, let's do it 2 styles. Let's see the difference. APA Harvard style for all in text is almost same. APA and Harvard in text is always same, but bibliography will be different. Yeah. Go to Chicago manual. Yes, press Chicago manual. Okay, yeah, and insert bibliography. Yeah. Insert citation and then bibliography. Basanta sir, this is
no, faculty member, Niyam sir.
Very nice. Okay, so they two are different. So yes, different styles you can do. Okay, now there is one question. Ma'am, Mendeley icon insert citation is not visible in my Word file. Basanta sir, you will have to help Sajin sir. I think he has not been able to import the Word citation.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Sajin sir, could you please share your screen and solve your problem?
and if there is anybody a lot about desktop, let me go to the web view. Where is it? Okay, is this the one? Okay. Now, if you see the web view, we have spoken a lot about the desktop view. Okay. In the web view also, this is a web library, this is a library on cloud. Over here also, you can add documents, you can import document. When you go to import here also, like desktop, it will ask you where to import from, okay, folder. Here also, you can add manually, you can import from EndNote, RIS, BibTeX. These are all other softwares where you might have stored your document, okay. Here also, you can make a new folder, okay, but remember, all the activities that you're doing over here, you will have to go to your desktop and press sync. If you don't press sync, all activities done over here will remain on your cloud and not come on the web. Now, let me introduce you to the web. Let me go to the right side and see my profile. Can all of you go to your profile? On the right side, you see a picture. It says Jaspreet. There's a drop down and I go to my profile. Let me explore the web. Now, this is my profile. Okay, this is my profile. Okay, and if you go to profile, now see how Mendeley is adding on to your profile. What happens is, like you, many of your colleagues will have a Mendeley profile. All of you are aware of LinkedIn profile. It is something like that. All of you are aware of ResearchGate profile. You can have a proper profile in Mendeley also. And what happens over here is, you are given a choice of adding your publications. Suppose you have 3-4 papers with authorship from you. You can add them over here. So you have 4 things. One is an overview. One is your publication. Now see, in my publication, in the publication, you can see I have added 2 papers, 3 papers. Now, these papers will be viewable to the whole world if I give them the option. Now, what is the use of this? If I have written these 3 papers, my citations will increase, because it is like an open, maybe when a person goes to a journal and reads the paper, The Impact of Myers-Briggs, the journal will not allow it to open the paper. But because it is in my publication in Mendeley and the full paper was there in my desktop, I can share it on Mendeley, like I can share on LinkedIn, like I can share the full paper on ResearchGate. Similar thing. Also, you can view your stats. So when you view your stats, it means it will show your citations. It will also show the number of people who have cited it. So just imagine, if I go to this one paper, it will show the citation. If you see on the right side, it shows my abstract. It shows on the right side the citation style done in this paper is APA. It also shows you the full citation. It shows you how this paper should be cited in your Word document. Okay, so all this can be seen. Also, how many people cited it? It says not applicable, because as yet it's a new paper, 2020 mein it got published. No citations are there as of now. As and when people start citing it on your papers, it will start showing citations. So even on ResearchGate, you can see your citations. On Google Scholar citations, you can see your citations. Even on Mendeley, you can see how many people cited it, because it's cloud. Suppose you wrote a paper and you cited me, Mendeley will catch it. Okay, core has been cited over there. Quickly, it will increase my citation. It also has followers, like there are followers on ResearchGate, there are followers on LinkedIn. Here also you have followers. Okay, let me go to the first thing which says feed. It is, many people don't know that Mendeley could become a LinkedIn also for you, or a ResearchGate. Now look at this. It says all posts. Okay, it says how many people, the ones you are following or the ones who are following you, how many people have written posts. It is just like LinkedIn. It is just like LinkedIn. Okay, also it will show articles suggested for you. Now why do you think it is showing articles suggested for you? And look at the article. It says God and green marketing now, and religiousness. Remember, I had put a few papers on religiosity. I had put a few papers on ethical marketing. Green marketing are topics related to it. So it is showing me in the feed related feeds. See, green purchase, green economy, all these papers are related to those papers which are lying in my library. Okay, if you have followers over here, they can also upload post. You can also upload post. Library, this view I have shown you. This is a web library. You can import papers from your desktop or from your network, from the website. Third, suggest. Now these are, let me open, these are suggestions or recommendations. So what is Mendeley doing? From the whole universe of papers, look at it. Because from the past 2 hours that I am with you, 2-3 hours that I am with you, I have only been importing papers, religiosity, religion. So look what it is showing in my recommendation. It is saying these 20 articles are recommended for you to read because they are not there in your library. So what do? I go to add to library and it will get added to my library. So I went to add. It says religiosity, monitoring and consumer self-control, Minton E. I can straight away go to view my library and I will be able to see it over there. Okay, I can see Minton E. I can see Minton E in my library. Okay, so this is the positive point. Now let me go back to, okay, profile. Okay, so suggest is a place where automatically from the whole universe, see, you are not the only person who's putting papers in Mendeley. There are thousands of researchers like you, thousands, you know. And if you see on the right side, it will show you statistics also. For example, it says in Mendeley it has been entered by 118 people. So it says this paper, Muslim religiosity, generational cohorts and buying behavior, has been entered into 118 database of researchers. But these 118 database are public database. Remember, they openly entered papers. If it is my database, it is not counted in these 118. Why? Because it's my paper. I don't want anybody to access those papers. It is my hard work. So my database is private. It is not one of these 118. But there are researchers who publicly share. Put it into their library, share it. These are those 118 researchers. Okay, you can add to the library. Go on adding. Number 4, groups. What is a group and why do I need it? I need a group because there are 3 researchers working in different, nowadays, you know, we have become international. One researcher might be sitting in Spain, one might be sitting in Nepal, one might be sitting in India. So there are 3 people working together. I want everybody to view papers. Which papers? Only the papers which show religion. So I make a private group. I'll show you how to make. I go to create new group. Okay, I give the name of the group religion meta analysis paper. Okay, okay, and now see, it is asking, didn't I tell you public, invite only, private? So I press on private. Now nobody will be able to see the papers which are discussed among me, among my European counterpart, among my Nepalese counterpart. Nobody will be able. And I create a group. I create a group. Okay. And when this group is created, I can go forward and see, I can invite members. Now, what am I doing? I will enter the email ID of my co-authors who are working on this paper, who are also putting papers into this folder from different parts of the world. I will invite them. This group will now become a private group of us 3 authors. That's it. All papers that we 3 people are putting from different regions, one from Europe, one from Nepal, one from India, will be seen in this one private group. Because it is private, and if you go to members, it will show you the members. It is showing only just Preet Kaur. If I invite 2 more people, it will show 3 members. Apart from these 3 members, no other person will be able to view your research papers. And ethically, nobody should be able to view also. Data set includes, let it open. Data set includes the Mendeley data set. Okay, now see what it says. It says there are some 24.1 million data sets which are there in Mendeley, which Mendeley is maintaining. Okay, you can search your data over here. Okay, now if you see down, it says try COVID-19 coronavirus epidemic. Probably for all the database that people are making around the world right now, researchers are making, the top topics are COVID-19, coronavirus, epidemic. That is the reason it is showing try this. From the database, you could probably try anything that you want to create. Also, you can make a database if you have, but I don't generally make a database. Okay, so just a second to go back. Okay, now, so that is data set. Okay, data set, I hope you have understood. Careers and fundings, of course, we don't need to search. If you want to search for any article within the database, okay, so it says either search for papers or peoples or groups. Okay, so you can search for anything. Now, suppose I am someone who wants to have a paper on impact of attitude on religion. So I can just type that and it will search. Okay, and it will show me papers. The moment it shows me papers, now see, it has shown me papers. It has shown me papers. See, exact papers. Consumer attitude, purchase intention. Now I will add it to my library. I will go to desktop and sync it. All the papers will reach there. Okay, I will stop share now. And last thing which is to be done for today, yeah, so let me share the desktop view with you. That is the last thing which is there. Share desktop. Where's the desktop gone? Okay, here it is. Yeah, so many windows. Okay, so the last thing which I have to do is, once you have read a paper, okay, you can open a paper from a library, okay, you can add it as favorite. For example, there's a paper, impact of textile. I can add it on favorites. Now see, it has become my favorite paper. Okay, so in my favorites, I have Patwandar, religiosity, attitude, etc. So among all my documents, I can actually add a yellow star. How do I do it? Go to paper, whichever you want. For example, impact of textile and clothing. Right click, mark as, suppose, green color, unread. So it is already unread, but I had a lot of time. I'm not going to office. Impact of textile, I have already read. So I will say mark it as read. Now what happens? The green dot goes away from impact of textile, which means this I have read. So what will I do? I will not come to this paper again. I will read the other papers. Also, this paper supposedly was very, very crucial. It had a very important scale for my research. What do I do? Right click, mark as favorite. Now see, there is a yellow star on this. Whenever I scroll, whenever I go to all documents and I have so many papers, I know hundreds of paper, I'll not get confused. I took my standard scale from this paper. Okay, now I wanted to discuss one more thing with you, which is the importing of article. We have done importing of PDF files. What we have not done is importing of articles. If you see impact of textiles, okay, it doesn't show a PDF file. And even ADB, solid waste management in Nepal, it doesn't show a PDF file. These are actually website files, okay? The problem in this is, when it is a website file which has been imported, suppose impact of textile clothing industry on environment, if you see on the right side, it has no author, it has no publication, it has no year. So when website articles are taken by Mendeley, the two which I'm clicking again and again and again, you see that there are no authors given, especially for impact of textile and clothing. I took an article from the website, but there is no author taken. Now, if I go to my Word document, let me try citing this. Now, here, otherwise there was everything given. For example, if I go to this paper, it says Journal Computer and Human Behavior, author Agag, etc. Year it is giving me, volume it is giving me. But when I go to this article, impact of textile and clothing industry, there is no author, there is no publication, right side, no year. Let me see if I can do an text citation for this. Okay, so I will go to my Word document. I will go to my Word document. Yeah. Okay, and I am on my Word document and I say, okay, something, 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 insert text, and there was some article, website article on textile, I remember. Okay, I added textile. It came up with a article, impact of textile and clothing industry. This was the article. I said okay, and I again said okay. Now see the citation. This is wrong citation. This is wrong citation. Why? Because when we had gone to our Mendeley, if you remember, there was no author name, there was no year, no nothing. Now, what do you do for such articles? This is a website article taken from a website called Fiber to Fashion. This is not a research paper. This is not a journal. This is not a book. What do? You will have to go to your normal Mendeley desktop and you will have to manually, where is it? This was my paper, yellow star. I will have to manually write author, suppose for, okay? Then I will have to manually write publication. The website was suppose TOI was the website, okay? Then I have to manually write year 2020. Now it has saved. Now, when you click on the article, it will save this year, that thing. Just give me a minute. Textile. Where did the article go? Okay, I have manually saved everything. Now let me see. Let me go to Word and see. Does it allow me citing? I have manually told it. Now let me see. I say insert and there was an article by textile. Okay, now let me see impact of textile and clothing. It was the same article. Now it says core 2020. What I'm trying to tell you is that even in Mendeley, sometimes you will have to go. Oh, I wasn't sharing the Word screen. Okay, sorry. Just a second. I wasn't sharing the Word screen, I think. Just got into the flow. Okay, let me share. Okay, again, I'm doing it for you people. Okay, some article, some research I wrote, insert citation. I said there was an article by the name of textile. Okay, and here was the article, impact of textile and clothing. I said okay, and see, now it is cited for 2020. Okay, also in the bibliography you can see core 2020 impact of clothing. Do you get my point? So when you are taking website articles, okay, some article from say your website, you know, any website, PricewaterhouseCoopers, some Nepalese government data you are taking, number of males and females in Nepal, anything. When it comes to Mendeley might not be able to give it an author name and year name. So when you go to Word and you write down and you insert, it will give you a wrong citation. So what do? You go to your Mendeley desktop, go to that article which you have taken from the internet, the website article, manually add the author, manually add the year, make it ready. Now when you come to Word document and you write a sentence and you say that article textile something something, it will automatically give you a citation.